Joshua? Hi. Okay. Here's big sister Brianna and big sister Michaela.
Hi, I'm washing dishes. My butter keeps shaking him out for me to wash again, and he's so sweet.
He is pretty sweet.
Joshua, no.
He can help you. He wants to help.
Put this in the dryer.
Do dishes go in the dryer? You mean dry it with a towel, not in the dryer. Brianna just woke up. She's trying to wake up.
But this, I like to try and put this on baby in a washing machine.
He's drying it on your shirt. Joshua, can you say hi?
Why is he drying it on my shirt? I don't know. He's just funny.
He is funny.
I want him to do that on my shirt.
Then you gotta go over there with him, okay?
Drying it on my shirt.
Brianna wants to play with you too, baby. Look, Joshua.
Please.
Yeah, switch spots with him, Michaela. Thank you.
Joshua.
Hi. Look, Joshua. Brianna's over there.
Mommy, Joshua said no and he gave me the
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Want that open? Say please. Joshua. Look at Mama. Can you say please? Please? He says, I just want to do dishes.
I'll do dishes with you.
Hold on, Brianna wants to stand over there with him real quick.
Oh, God.
All gone.
I want to stand with him.
You are standing with him. Michaela, hand that to Sissy. Thank you.
I just got it. This is not fair.
Well, honey, you've got to interact with him. You have to hand out your hands to him. See, and he'll hand them to you. He wants to play with you, too. He likes playing with both of his sisters.
These are all dirty. A special recipe.
Oh, say thank you.
Special Joshua recipe. He's made with lots of love. He learned all the things that his lovely sister. And he watches this now. He does everything now.
Really?
And he tries to color sometimes.
He does.
Good boy.
He is a good boy.
And now he learned to share from his sisters.
How nice of you,
So he's
sisters.
sharing and being nice, he's loving, and he learns lots of new words.
Oh, good.
And now, right now he's sharing.
He is sharing. He's being a good boy.
He just handed me a cup to wash in the sink. This is our sink.